context of the pattern is you have this 4-petal anti-spin, and then what I'm doing is at the top, I'm doing this pendulum that we did last time. So it's that tight pivot point, or pivot point, pendulum point here. And then from there, doing the down, the up, and then the plane break. And then how much of a turn you want to put in it is all subjective. Right hand is underhand. And then when I come from the back position, from this back position up, I start the pedal, and then instead of letting my hand go all the way forward to that front position of the pedal, as it's coming around, I flatten it. Right, so it's coming around. I flatten it here. I come down, I come back up, and then I do my plane break. So I flatten it, come down, come up, and then plane break to the spiral. I'm underhand. I come across, come down, come up, plane break, spiral. And how much of a turn? Again, that's, you could do as little or as much of a turn as you want. Drop your left poi, and then let's do one time around in the 4-petal, then go half, do the float, then wrap around your hand and reverse, and then we'll start again. Well, with or without turning, I mean, in theory, if you can not turn, you can definitely turn. Maybe I'm wrong, but I think the turn makes it easier because it slows down how quickly you get into the spiral. So, but that's subjective. It might not be a rhythm that you're comfortable with comparatively. And when you wrap around both hands, just to practice the sensation. We're underhand here, 5, 6, 7, and back, top, front, bottom, back, top, float, float, plane break, wrap, release, and underhand at your side. So 5, 6, 7, 8, bottom, back, top, front, bottom, back, loop, float down, float up, plane break, wrap, spiral, release, and down. Underhand, 5, 6, 7, 8, bottom, back, top, front, bottom, back, and float down, float up, plane break, spiral, and release, down at your side, 5, 6, 7, 8, bottom, back, top, front, bottom, back, and float down, float up, plane break, and release, come down, underhand on your right side, 5, 6, 7, 8, bottom, back, top, front, bottom, back, top, float down, float up, come around, and one last time from underhand on the right, 5, 6, 7, 8, bottom, back, top, front, bottom, back, and float down, float up, plane break, spiral, and let's switch hands. The left hand is overhand, remember, and the 5, 6, 7, 8, bottom, front, top, back, bottom, front, top, and float down, float up, plane break, wrap, release. Back to overhand on your left side. The left hand is posterior and the right hand is anterior, yes. Which, if you just moved your hands down like this, if you want to check your work, it would look like this, with your left on top of your right. Overhand with your left, 5, 6, 7, 8, bottom, front, top, back, bottom, front, and float down, float up, plane break, spiral, come down, overhand on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8, bottom, front, top, back, bottom, front, top, float, float, plane break, spiral, come out, and overhand on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8, bottom, front, top, back, bottom, front, top, and float down, float up, plane break, release, come down on your left, and 5, 6, 7, 8, bottom, front, top, back, bottom, front, top, and float down, float up, plane break, spiral, release, and then last time, left hand overhand, 5, 6, 7, 8, bottom, front, top, back, bottom, front, top, and float, float, break, spiral, release. Left hand is over, right hand is under, and let's just do the same pattern. So 5, 6, 7, 8, sides, top, sides, bottom, sides, top, float down, float up, plane break, spiral, release. And 5, 6, 7, 8, bottom, side, bottom, side, top, and float, float, plane break, spiral, release. Now this time let's add a turn. So when you exit from the float, turn to the left, however much you want, just so that you practice it. So left is over, right is under. And 5, 6, 7, 8, bottom, sides, top, sides, bottom, sides, top, and float down, float up, lane break, turn in, spiral, and release. Okay, left over, right under, we'll do the turn again. 5, 6, 7, 8, bottom, sides, top, sides, bottom, sides, top, and float down, float up, turn, and spiral, and release.